Hello, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Today I met up with Craig, and Craig has a super cool DIY camping trailer that he built out himself, and he's gonna give us a tour. So join us. Hello, Craig, and welcome to New Jersey Outdoor Adventures.
Hello, my name's Craig. This is my DIY camper. I wanted to build something light enough that I could pull it with my truck. You know, something small that had all the essentials. You know, I started with a Harbor Freight trailer. When I was designing this, I just went and saved pictures of every single teardrop camper. I seen something I like about it. I seen one that I like the shape. I seen one that I like the windows. So I take 200 pictures of, you know, teardrop campers, and I'm gonna do the front like this, I'll do the back like this, I'll make the kitchen kind of like this, and then it comes into your own where you can just build exactly what you want. So I took inspiration from hundreds of different campers, and it seemed like it worked out. For the construction, I use FRP fiberglass. It's waterproof. I use plywood underneath. I have it framed out with 2x4s and 1/8 plywood on the inside. I used aluminum trim for all the trimming on the front and back. The door is a cargo door from eBay. I got it really cheap. I had to modify the locks to make it passenger friendly to get in and out. The windows I used just plexiglass with tinted mirrors. Also, the frames were on eBay. They were very cheap, like 20 bucks. They have 6 solar panels, lights, and then the 2 solar panels in the front that power 2 separate batteries. This is for the TV. It's gets like 100 channels. You got the propane shower. You got the 2 7-gallon water tanks, the 20-pound propane tank, the 5,000 BTU air conditioner. I built a wooden frame to enclose everything. There's a little bit of storage in there, but not much. It has a 1 7/8 inch ball. It approximately weighs about 600 pounds. And let's move to the back. It got a 12-volt vent on the top with a small 12-volt fan. The 2 roof racks for light storage of kayaks and canoes and whatnot. Take a look at the back. The hatch opens up, and pretty much a full kitchen. I got this connected to a 12-volt pump for just cold water only. I got the 2-burn stove over here, and I have the piston hatch, which I think it's 60 pounds each, and it holds up. I got the storage for the Velcro storage for like pots and pans and dishes and stuff. There's 2 solar panel lights in here that light up at night. And under here is most of the electronics and water lines. I got a cut-off switch right here. There's the 12-volt pump and the voltmeter, the USBs. This is a dual. You can plug stuff into it, or you can also charge the unit by 12-volt if you needed to. Here is a 12-can refrigerator. It also runs off the Shore Electric, or you can run it off the 12-volt battery. Behind here, this comes out, and you can access all the electronics. There's a 12-volt lawnmower battery in there, and there's 2 outlets and the splitter for the air conditioner, and there's a power surge and a breaker back there that you can access from the side. Alright, and a fully functioning microwave. It doesn't run off the solar panels, but if you plug the trailer in, it'll work off Shore Electric. Here is for like utensils and pots and pans, like thin ones. Up here, you got a little bit of storage. Here's the second solar panel battery, and just more storage. In here is where you can access the fuel panel and the charging unit for when you're plugged into the electric outlet, the 110. You can charge the batteries here, and there's a couple circuit breakers. All right, so here we have an antenna. It's for the radio, and inside we have the 24-inch flat panel TV. We have two speaker stereo that's Bluetooth that hooks to a phone or whatever. And I also have the 5,000 BTU air conditioner. I used the linoleum on the floor. I trimmed it out with a 1/4-inch round wood. Got two shelves on the side. This is a full-size couch bed that comes out. And you got the 12-volt fan in here. You got two small battery-operated lights. That is hooked up to the Shore Electric, so it won't work unless you're plugged in. But I also got a USB hooked to solar panels as well. Alright, so okay. Mattress is a little tight fit, but it fits perfectly. The mattress also pulls out. You can push this forward and tuck this in. So it comes out to 46 inches wide and 72 inches long. So it's technically a full-size mattress. There's something with the mattress. I purchased this mattress on Amazon. It folds into 3 pieces. With that, I removed this just to open and close it easier. One thing I did different than a lot of people, I purchased a mattress, the air conditioner, the TV, most of the appliances first and built it around it. It's because I didn't want to, come into a situation where this didn't fit, or the air conditioner didn't fit, the TV didn't fit in the right place. So, and the same with the back with the appliances, I built the whole unit around the appliances. So there, when I started with this right here, I framed out around the microwave and the sink and the refrigerator and the stove. So I built the cabinets around it. So that helped me a lot to fit everything in such a tiny space.
That's pretty smart that you did that way, because I see some of the builds I follow online, people build it and then they try to find a microwave that fits in the hole.
Yeah.
You built it around the microwave. So that's a pretty good tip for our viewers if you're building your own. Try to get most of the appliances and the items first. And then you could build right around that. Now, what inspired you to build this?
I just always loved camping and loved the outdoors, and I've had last few camping trips where, we stayed at a horrible place or, bad company on the next campsite. So I just wanted a little freedom of, I just want to get in my camper and I want to go wherever I want to go. If there's rowdy people next door, I can get in my car and move my camper or move to another location. So it's just freedom of wherever I want to go. I have the comforts of home. The biggest thing for me is the coffee maker, and a hot shower in the morning. Start my day off with a nice hot shower and a nice cup of coffee, and I'm set for the day. It's just the little things.
And that shower is just hooked, that water heater is hooked right up to the propane tank.
Yes.
You turn it on, it heats up the water pretty quickly.
Yeah.
And then the wand is right outside.
Yeah.
You could utilize. Now I noticed on that side there's some drains underneath the trailer.
Okay.
What are those for?
I connected these this morning because I'm having trouble with the water draining out. So I made 2 spouts that when I'm not using it, I can drain or flush out. I might be able to push it out with air, but at least this way, I don't have any mildew or any freezing in the winter. I can drain them out when I'm not using them.
So that was an aftermod, and that's what's beauty about doing a DIY build, is you could change it. You could change it up as you go, as you use it. So what's next for you? You built it out. I understand you did some camping trips. Are you building another one?
Yeah, I'm building another one. It's going to be a little longer. It's going to have a lot more angles. I plan a little more stealthy, I'm thinking, with a lot less stuff on the outside, because, putting all these holes everywhere, it's difficult to, you got to keep up with the caulking and the silicone, and you know, I keep it covered when I'm not using it. So I might try a different material. I'm looking at different materials. This is pretty nice, but I want something a little that I can more paintable, and maybe just, you know, a little flatter. So
Was building it as much fun as using it?
building it was way more fun than using it. You know, I actually got sad when I finished it because I didn't know what to do. You know, I took it camping now, and I go camping, and all I think about is the next one. You know, it's kind of addicting, where you just want to keep creating. You know, and you think about all the things you should have done and could have done. So that's for the next build. You know.
And I know you mentioned it's 600 pounds approximately in an 1 7/8 ball.
Yes.
What is the length, width, height? Do you know those numbers?
Yes. This is exactly from the bottom to the top is 41 inches. From here to here is exactly 8 feet. I know the inside dimensions are 72 by 46. The back is same thing, 42 high and 46 wide, and I think it's 24 deep.
And then you buy this trailer from Harbor Freight. Does
Yes.
it come with a title?
Yes, it comes with a clean title, and you have to put it together, and it's a little pain to put it together, but it's definitely worth the value for, you know.
And then once you register and title it, you can pretty much do whatever you want. You could make this into a trailer to hold debris to the scrapyard.
Yeah.
You can make it into this. You can
Yeah.
put your,
Yeah.
I don't know, a motorcycle or something on it.
Yeah. I actually have another one of these that I use for a motorcycle, and another one I use for debris. So, you know, they're very versatile in what you can do with these things.
I really like what you did. When I saw the pictures online, and by the way, I saw this on Facebook Marketplace, so
Yeah.
it is for sale, but
Yeah.
I was like, wow, this looks like something out of Star Wars. I mean,
Yeah.
you look at the shape and all the stuff out of it, it definitely looks like it's made for outer space. Well, Craig, I really appreciate you taking the time today to meet with us so you could give us a tour of your camper. For your next build, I heard you were talking about doing some type of Instagram so people could follow
Yes.
along.
Yeah.
So I'll make sure I link to that in the description.
Okay.
That way they can follow you. And maybe if this one's still for sale, you'll have some information there for the viewers.
Yeah. It's gonna be sad to get rid of it, but I want to build another one, and I can't keep, you know, a yard full of campers, you know.
Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe.
All
I
right.
love it.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon.